Hello everyone, this is Momita and welcome to Food Values. Today we are going to discuss about the effect of processing on the vegetables. First of all, there are two types of vegetables. First, that we eat raw or we prefer them as salad, and next category is the vegetables that we cook. Now the salad vegetables are not cooked. So the only step that we do to take care of them is cleaning. And the vegetables that are processed goes through several stages of processing. Now, what are the vegetables that we prefer to eat as raw? They are those vegetables which are rich in water, cellulose, but low in starch content. So they are little juicy, they are crispy. Example, lettuce, onions, carrots. So these kinds of vegetables are eaten as raw. The other kind that we mainly eat after processing or cooking are potatoes, pumpkins, papayas, squash. So the first step that we are going to discuss today is the cleaning, because this step has to be done whether it is raw vegetables or the vegetables that has to be processed. So during cleaning, if it's leafy vegetables like spinach or coriander leaves, what we should do, we should take a basin full of water and dip them inside, because these kind of vegetables contain sand, soil, so mainly microorganisms, germs and small insects are present in those soils. So when we dip them in a basin full of water, those particles being heavy, they settle down and we can take our vegetables out after some time. Other category like vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower, they are compact. So those vegetables has to be dipped in water with little salt in it, and that salt can really clean them. And rest of the vegetables we can simply wash them under running water or running tap water. Now when we move to the processing step, lot of things happens and we need to take care of certain things, not much, but that can really help us. First thing is, when we are chopping the vegetables, peeling them, so what should we do? We should try to make bigger pieces, not very small, because when the pieces are bigger, surface area is reduced. So when we are cooking them, loss or destruction of vitamin and minerals are less. Particularly, for example, in case of carrot, instead of making cross-section wise pieces, we should make it lengthwise and make long pieces. So that will help retain more nutrients in it. Next, we should always choose pressure cooking. Yes, why? Because pressure cooking reduces the time of cooking. And when we are reducing the cooking time, this helps to preserve the vitamins, minerals in the vegetables. What happens in pressure cooking? In pressure cooking, pressure is raised. So the temperature although rises, but it's not that high in comparison to frying, baking, grilling. So with a comparatively less high temperature and increased pressure, food gets cooked really faster. So pressure cooking is a very good option. If we do not use pressure cooker, we prefer to cook them on open pan. In that case, we should use a lid or cover because that also reduces the time of cooking. Another thing is cleaning of vegetables should always be done before peeling them or cutting them, because during cleaning, if we already peeled it, then we can lose vitamins and minerals. Now, once the vegetables are cleaned, they are peeled and cut, we should not leave it open for long. We should try to cook it faster. And after they are cooked, we should always try to eat them faster. So we should not store them for long. So that will help us to stay healthy and safe. And if we are boiling our food, first we should let the water start boiling and then add our vegetables, because that again will save some time and vegetables will cook faster. So simply we have to follow 3 R's while processing our food. First R is reduce the time of cooking. Second R is reduce the surface area of cooking. So that means make bigger pieces. And the third R is reduce the amount of water that we are using for cooking. Yes, during cooking, if we keep adding water and keep heating it, that actually damages our food product. It destroys the important vitamins and minerals. So we should try to add as less water as possible and retain the moisture or the water of the food. If during cooking we feel that we have lots of water, in that case we should not discard that water, particularly after boiling food. If we have lots of water, so we should try to reuse that water because they are rich in vitamins and minerals. So we should use less of external water and try to retain the food's own moisture, own water. So these are very simple things. We might know all of these, or simply we might not know 1 or 2 of this. So keep watching, stay safe, stay healthy, take care, bye.